Hey you guys, and yes y'all, it's another haul, it's another nail haul. So today I got some stuff from Amazon and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put myself up in the corner somewhere, and then I'm gonna have on the main screen what I got from Amazon and stuff like that. That way you guys can, you know, see with me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys are some desk mats. And the reason why I decided to get these is because I wanted some type of protection for my desk. Just in case something falls or whatever the case may be, I can easily, you know, wipe it up on the mat as opposed to it falling on my table. Being that the table is white, I want to try to keep it as clean as possible. And I don't want anything to fall on it, so I decided to get these mats. And I have a gray one, a black one, and then I also have this thicker clear mat, and this is what I just bought from Amazon. It's pretty thick, but it's not completely flat. I guess I would have to leave it down for a little while. And it's really, really thick. That's why I really like it, because I know that I would be able to, you know, wipe off my desk. If something falls, it won't penetrate and seep through. So, you know, you're working with monomers, stuff like that, acetone, alcohol, just a bunch of chemicals and stuff like that, and I just don't want to you know, mess up my desk. I just got it. The next thing that I got, you guys, are these 30 trading cards. The reason why I got this is so that I can display the nails that I do. That way if someone doesn't, you know, really know what they want, or they're looking for ideas, I can have like a book of all of the, like, you know, custom freestyle sets that I've done and stuff like that, along with the ones that I've done on YouTube with you guys. So yeah, so I decided to get some card holders, and I feel like that'll be really, really good. I could either probably tape it so that it can stay in, or get some I don't know y'all, but we're gonna figure out a way to have it be stuck there. I'm gonna get a really cute binder and put it inside the binder, and I think that's how I'm gonna save, like, you know, my nail designs and stuff for display. Alright, so the next thing that I got are these press-on tips, and these are some extra long press-on tips. They feel pretty sturdy. They feel pretty good. I feel like I'll be able to, like, you know, deliver some good sets with these, and I feel like they're really long. That's why I purchased them. I want to have, like, you know, some longer tips for when I want to do press-ons and stuff like that. So yeah, and I got this off of Amazon. And these are pretty soft. And I'm gonna link everything down below just in case you guys want to, you know, purchase anything. Period. Alright, so the next thing that I got are these extendo tips, y'all. Like, they're really, really long, and I got them from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down below, and I'll try to put at the bottom of the video, like, the cost of each thing. That way you guys have, like, you know, an idea of how much I paid for it. So I use these tips a lot for my freestyles when I want to do a nail that's really creative and fun. I really like this these nail tips because they're really, really long. They're good width, and you can get, like, you know, enough on the nail and really be creative with these nails. That's why I really like it, because it gives me, like, a really, really, really wide space where I could create. So that's why I got these tips, and just in case I want to do some extendos on myself, I don't know yet, y'all, we might, you know, just get into that. But yeah. Alright you guys, so the next thing that I got are these clear adhesive dots, and I got these for when I'm doing, like, you know, press on nails. If I want to record a set, I can just have a clear background and you guys won't see, like, the blue sticky tack stuff. I don't like the blue background on it. It's just so annoying. And I also got it because I feel like I'm gonna, like, you know, apply some press on nails just in case I don't want to keep it on for, like, a whole week. If I just want it for just an occasion or to just go out really quickly, I feel like I can just put this glue in there. Alright, so the next thing that I got are these, you know, nice textured marble nail foils, y'all, and I seen them on Amazon. They were like $6 or $7, and I was like, let me get these, because you don't know what you can create. Once you have that as an accent, you can just create, like, a really nice, classy set for the people who don't want anything that's too dramatic. And I like how it has different tones of marble, so that's why I chose that one. So yeah, next. And y'all, this next thing, y'all, it's my favorite. Like, this is probably this is probably like my most favorite thing that I got from this haul. I think this is so cute, you guys. Like, it has, like, the black and white you know, chessboard vibe, and then, you know, the magnet, you know, can go on each, you know, square. I feel like this is so cute, and it's a really great, but it's a really great way for me to, you know, keep a hold of my display stands. I can just put them all in there. It's magnetic, so they won't fall everywhere, and I really like this, y'all. So I'm gonna link this below definitely, so y'all can cop some of these because you need it. If you're designing press-ons, or, you know, want to try out a designer practice, this will help you keep, you know, a hold of your stands and stuff like that. And it's cute, like, look at it, like, let's be real. And the next thing that I got is a gold nail display holder, and I just like the color, and I'm gonna also put that inside of the box with the checkerboard stuff, because, or chess, whatever it's called, but I'm gonna put it inside of there. It has, like, you know, the stand on it and everything, so, like, you know, when I'm done with my press-ons, I can put it on the display and really showcase, you know, what's popping. So yeah, y'all, next thing that I got, thanks to a subscriber of mine, period. She let me know that, because I had bought some nail display tips from someone else, I think Nail by Night, and they were like $6 for 50. But, you know, my subscriber came through and told me, like, girl, you can get that on Amazon, stop overpaying. And I was like, for real? And she was like, for real? And I was like, bet. So y'all, I went on Amazon and I found a bunch of the stiletto nail display tips for a really affordable price. I'm gonna link that down below as well, because, you know, I got y'all, period. Next thing that I got, you guys, are some nail gems, some crystals, whatever you want to call them, and these give me some Swarovski vibes, baby. So I got these off of Amazon because they're really affordable, and we all know if I go to a nail supply to get some of these gems, they're gonna charge me like $4 for $1 for the bigger sizes, and in the packet they're probably gonna charge me, like, you know, $20 or whatever, you know, they be doing the most and charging the most. So I was able to get this for, like, I don't know, I'm gonna link it down below, but it was really cheap, and I was able to get the tweezers, and I really need these tweezers because the ones that I had before, I don't know where they went. I think somebody stole them, I don't know. But I needed the tweezers, and it comes with a, like, pencil. I don't know if it's a wax pencil, but I'm gonna try to use it to see if it'll pick up some diamonds. And then it comes with the pack of the AB diamonds, and you know, period, different sizes, different shapes, because, you know, we got it all. Okay, yeah. All right, so the next thing that I got are these pixie crystals, and y'all, they were really affordable, and, you know, I want to do a pixie nail with you guys. I might do one with the next thing that I got, y'all. I just want to do like a pixie nail, just in case, you know, some people want to do nails at home and stuff like that. So I want to do like a pixie nail design. So definitely stay, you know, tuned for that and subscribe to my channel. But I got these pixie diamonds because, like, who doesn't want a pixie? Like, it makes every set cute. It's a nice accent nail, and I want to do some all pixie nails, so that's really why I purchased it. And I'm gonna also record a video of me doing that, so stay tuned for that, period. And last but not least, I got this acrylic Kiss acrylic kit, and the reason why I got it is because the last video that I did on it, y'all was really messing with it. Like, it got a lot of views, so I'm gonna go ahead and you know, run it back and do another set with the Kiss acrylic kit, so stay tuned for that. But that concludes my haul for Amazon. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you think that there's something that I should get, or if you have some of the things that are in this haul. And also, if you guys have some video ideas for me, like what you guys think I should do next, definitely comment down